Hello, my name is Peter van Eijk and I'm one of the most experienced independent cloud trainers worldwide. Not because I'm the best, I leave that judgment to other people, but I've been doing it more than most other people. It's a really long story, but just to cut it short, I think most of my professional career has been around stuff that we now know as cloud, that really evolved into that. And I always had an interest in training. I started out as a university assistant professor, and now I'm back doing the stuff that I love, traveling every now and then and working with people on how they develop their cloud solutions. The CCSK, or Certificate of Cloud Security Knowledge, is an independent certification of a person's understanding of the major cloud security categories, and it's both a technical as well as a more governance related body of knowledge. The Cloud Security Alliance started working on this about 10 years ago, and right now we're in version 4, where it has many domains from technical infrastructure to legal, compliance, incident response, and even some new technology like IoT and big data. The main goal that I have with teaching CCSK depends a little bit on the group that I work with, but first and foremost, a lot of people want to pass the CCSK exam, which definitely demonstrates their understanding of cloud security. But when I train a company, a team, possibly more important goal is that they start to work together as a team in secure cloud adoption, and that can really accelerate the proper adoption of cloud in a company. Okay, so cloud security is immensely important in the future, first and foremost because cloud is going to be really important. And cloud is going to be really important because we are expanding our IT way beyond what we've imagined so far. And right now, all growing companies are software companies. But the threats to that software, to that IT, are also becoming bigger. So we have more software, we have more services, more digital stuff, more threats, and therefore we need to have control that is growing with that. And that, in my world, means more cloud security. So the biggest benefit of CCSK for an individual is that they will understand cloud and how to control cloud much better. When that individual is part of a team, especially if the team takes that training, is that it can accelerate the innovation of a company, because mostly that innovation is driven by a digital development.